Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting the app permission to access photos and set wallpapers. This is essential so the app can save and apply images. Once done, pick the display resolution, 16, 9, or device native to avoid stretching. Next, sign in only if you want synced favorites and collections, otherwise continue as guest. These steps let you browse efficiently and ensure images match your screen, saving time later when you crop or apply a wallpaper. You now browse categories or search keywords and apply filters for resolution, orientation, or color to narrow results quickly. Once you find a candidate, tap Favorite to save it to your collection or download to store it locally. This prevents accidental loss. Then open the in-app editor to crop and reposition for the best composition. Add subtle blur or a 0.5 opacity overlay if icons clash. These controls let you tailor the image, so it looks great on both home and lock screens. You preview the edited image on both home and lock screens to confirm composition. If satisfied, choose Set for Home, Lock, or both and apply immediately. You can also schedule auto-change intervals so your wallpaper rotates daily or hourly. If the system refuses to apply, make sure storage and wallpaper permissions are granted, then clear the app cache and retry. This fixes most problems. Finally, verify any launcher restrictions. Once resolved, your chosen wallpaper will display correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.